The last verdict. The grand courtroom was packed with reporters, lawyers, and spectators eager to hear the final verdict in one of the most high-profile murder cases in the city's history. Judge Arvind Kapoor, a man known for his sharp intellect and unwavering commitment to justice, adjusted his glasses and surveyed the room. Before him stood Raghav Mehta, a wealthy businessman accused of murdering his former business partner, Vinod Sharma. The case had been in the spotlight for months. The prosecution claimed they had irrefutable evidence against Raghav: a knife with his fingerprints, CCTV footage of him entering Vinod's house on the night of the murder, and a long history of financial disputes between the two men. The motive was clear: Vinod had recently filed a lawsuit against Raghav, accusing him of embezzling company funds. The defense, led by senior lawyer Anil Sethi, argued that the evidence was circumstantial. The CCTV footage showed Raghav entering the house, but it did not capture the murder itself. The fingerprints on the knife could have been planted, and no eyewitness had actually seen the crime happen. But with the media branding Raghav as a murderer, public opinion was already against him. A twist in the case. As the trial proceeded, a young law intern named Priya, working with the defense team, stumbled upon a crucial detail. While going through old case files, she found something suspicious: Vinod had another enemy, someone with a much stronger motive to kill him. Manish Khanna, a former associate, had been involved in a bitter business rivalry with Vinod years ago. Their feud had cost Manish everything, and he had gone underground, vanishing from the public eye. Priya rushed to Anil Sethi with her discovery. Together, they started digging deeper and found that Manish had been spotted in a nearby city a few days before the murder. Even more shocking, bank records showed that Manish had withdrawn a large sum of money shortly after Vinod's death, money that had come from an anonymous source. The defense immediately requested the court to summon Manish for questioning. At first, he denied any involvement, but when the police presented phone records linking him to a hired killer, his composure broke. Under pressure, he confessed: he had hired someone to kill Vinod and had planted the evidence to frame Raghav. The final verdict. The courtroom erupted in murmurs. The prosecution, left speechless, had no choice but to accept the truth. Judge Kapoor leaned forward, his deep voice echoing through the hall. The court finds Raghav Mehta not guilty. Manish Khanna will be taken into custody for further investigation. A wave of relief washed over Raghav as the weight of false accusations lifted from his shoulders. As he stepped out of the courtroom, he turned to Priya with gratitude in his eyes. She had not only saved his life but also upheld the true spirit of justice. Outside the courthouse, reporters surrounded him, eager for a state